Well, I can't believe that it's 9 p.m. I'm gonna sleep now. Hello? What the toy? What the toy? Black? What are you doing here? I have a surprise for you. What is it? 1, 2, 3! Yes, I did it!
I got the girl with him. Lumaki po kong full of love and care. And he never lied to me. He never lied to me. So wag po kayo magtataka why my loyalty is
What happened, Jeff? Oh, Pinki. Black put the chainsaw while I'm sleeping. Now my arm hurts. And my arm is burning. Don't worry, bestie. We will take you to the hospital. Uh-oh. Black, you're a raster for hurting Jevin while he's sleeping.